Hey YouTube, today I have a TCBM from Smaller Carl Coo. So let's open this up. I'm sorry if I didn't say your username right, dude, but you get the point, okay? So let's open this up. Hoping for good polls. Okay. You guys should probably check out his raffles. He just had one that ended, but his raffles are really amazing and big prizes. So you know, please go check his raffles out. He has very good raffles. So let's read the note first. Hey, people, Steel People 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. Thanks for buying for me. Never mind, just read the drawing. Peebo $7, Smaller Coo. Peebo's Level X, Smaller Coo. The end. Okay? And he gave me Arceus Level X non-promo. Thanks a lot. Now with this card I have every non-promo Level X and Arceus set, so thanks a lot. And he gave me that cool pre-release case, which is also very cool. I needed this too. So please go subscribe to him. So please, yeah, and me too. Thank you and bye.